Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Make a protein powder that is all natural and loaded with 32% of high-quality plant-based protein. It's way healthier than any store-bought protein powder, but adds a super nutty roasted flavor. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw shelled hemp seeds onto a baking sheet. Next, bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for up to 15 minutes. Let them cool. And pulverize them in a blender. Just add it into your shake, smoothie or breakfast cereal. And enjoy the power! Thanks for watching.